Look at that. Hey guys, look what I got. That's right, I got this brand new Avios Twin Otter 1600mm STOL twin. It comes with floats, comes with regular landing gear. We'll get into all that here shortly. Coming up next, we're gonna see what's going on inside the box. Here's a look inside the box. As you can see, this is packaged nicely. And coming up next, I'm gonna show you everything that comes inside the box, spread out all over my workbench, aka my bed. All right, guys, here are all the parts and pieces that come inside the box. It took a little bit of time to spread this around. That way I could show you guys just the depth and breadth of all the stuff that comes with it. This is a beautiful kit. Plug and play, plug and fly kit. It's got two different nose sections. Some people like the little poodle nose, some people like a little bit more. I don't even know what you want to call that other one. But I have seen some debates online about which one is better, and those always make me laugh. It comes with a really nice set of floats. There's some hardware wrapped up in that foam. Don't throw anything out, guys. Not right away anyway. When you open the box, because there's a lot of stuff tucked and wrapped that you do not want to throw away. When we come back, I'm going to have this thing fully assembled. Here we are, fully assembled with this beautiful Avios Twin Otter. The presence, the beauty, everything. I just love how this thing looks. I'm sure you also noticed that big orange thing right there. That's a Turnigy radio. I will be discussing that, using that in the future. Not on this plane just yet. I need to learn a few things before I risk flying something as beautiful as this on that radio, but I will be flying this and other awesome planes in the future on that radio. I believe it's a 14-channel radio. Yep, Turnigy X14. So that will give me a ton of options in the future. When we come back, we are going to see the lights on this thing. This is a look at everything plugged in, ready to go. And I'm going to move some control surfaces here. Everything is looking good. Can't really see the flaps from this angle, but we'll do this again from a slightly different angle here in a second. I'm going to take off throttle cut. Look at how those look. So smooth. .4S power. It's kind of hot in here right now, and that rush of air, rush of wind, if you will, off the props felt awesome. There is absolutely zero light added except for the light that the plane adds. So cool. This is so bright. The light kit on this is amazing. That beacon on the top of the vertical stabilizer looks amazing. Those landing lights are so bright, so impressive. And of course the nav lights are looking great, even though the green one is a little bit out of the frame. We'll flip that over here in a second. That way we can appreciate the green. Here is a little green appreciation for you guys. Now we've got a bit of a side profile. We can work. In fact, let's turn things up to high rates so we really get some stuff moving. I've got flight mode set up on this. That way when I'm flying through the air, I can trim it exactly where I need it to be in the air. No fuss, no muss. I love being able to do that. If you notice, when I do the flaps, I've got some mix in there for the tail. I am guesstimating. We will see how that goes on the maiden flight, which I cannot wait to do. We are at the flying field, and you can see behind the plane that the wings come off for easy transport. Beautiful. Need a little more trim. I've got it a touch nose heavy where the battery's at. But it looks good, so good. Look at that blue sky opening up in the background. Beautiful. When I got here, the sky was gray, just like that. See what it looks like coming back this way. Just touch more elevator trim. The trim elsewhere seems pretty darn solid. Look at that. All right, let's get up in the air a little bit, trim in the flaps. I guessed on some mix there. Didn't need nearly as much down as I thought. Oh, beautiful. I love it, John.
Good airplane.
Nice slow flight. I do have a bigger pack than John used on his maiden. You can use a 2200 4S pack on this. And I've got the 3300 and it still feels really good. That looks great. I think I'm gonna come in, set up an approach. Beautiful. Look at those props. All right, guys, we're gonna see how much is left on the bench coming up next. All right, guys, 70% left in the tank. I'll put up the flight time on the screen right now for John VHRC. Oh, check the links in the description for everything you see here. And for John VHRC, GBLynden, out.